Hey everybody, Dominic here, and in this video I'm going to highlight a rather cool add-on for Google Forms. Now, if you haven't already used Google Forms, it's basically a tool that allows you to make surveys, quizzes, and other data collection items. And Google Forms on its own is pretty cool, but you can actually get a lot of different add-ons for it. And the add-on that I'm going to feature in this video is called Choice Eliminator. And it does exactly what it sounds like it does. It removes choices. So let me give you an idea of how this works, and I'm actually going to walk through the steps of how you install it and how you use it. Okay, so I'm going to jump over to this Google form here that I just threw together really quickly. In this Google form, the idea is that imagine I'm teaching a course on outer space, and I want my students to pick a topic that they are going to do a project on. Now, I don't want all of my students picking the same project. I would like them to choose different ones. So essentially what I want to do is create a first come, first serve sort of system where students will go into the form, they'll pick their topic, and then once they pick it, I want that topic to go away so that someone else cannot pick it. Now, for this form, actually, let me add one more question on here. I was going to say, what is your name? Okay. That way I know who is doing what project. Okay, so Choice Eliminator is an add-on that you can get for Google Forms. To get an add-on, what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to the little kebab selector and then click on this little puzzle piece that says add-ons. And this is going to pop up a window that shows you a bunch of add-ons that you can get for Google Forms. Okay, you may want to take a look through here because there's some pretty cool stuff that you can choose from. But like I said, the one we're going to pick from is called Choice Eliminator. So if I just type choice in there, okay, you can see the results. There's actually two different Choice Eliminators you can get. There's Choice Eliminator Lite and Choice Eliminator 2. My recommendation would be to get Choice Eliminator Lite if all you want to do is just remove a single item that your students get to choose from. Choice Eliminator 2 has a couple of extra features, but generally I don't think they're really necessary. You can take a look at the description of it if you want to see what those features are. But I'm going to pick Choice Eliminator Lite. So I'll click on the little blue free button. And it's going to ask me if I want to give this add-on access. So I'll just click on my account and I'll click on allow. All right. So that adds the Choice Eliminator Lite add-on to Google Forms and it shows me how I can access it. So I'll click on got it. Now, one thing I should mention is that generally Choice Eliminator works well with drop-down style questions. You can do multiple choice, but the author of the Choice Eliminator add-on says that drop-down questions typically work better than multiple choice. So you can see here that I've already created this drop-down question. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the little puzzle piece, and actually let me move my camera over here. I'm going to click on the little puzzle piece, and here I can see all of the add-ons that I have. I'm going to click on Choice Eliminator Lite, okay, and I'll click on Configure. And when I click on that, it's going to pop up this little box down in the bottom right. It also has this pop-up that gives me some information about how to use Choice Eliminator. I'm just going to click Close on that, okay. So over here on the right-hand side, what you're going to do is you can see here that it has the question that I made. So right here, the question, choose your topic. Right here is choose your topic. Okay? And so what I can do is I can check this box to say, I want you to please eliminate choices. Okay? So as long as that box is checked, I'm basically done. So let's see this in action. I'm going to close this. Okay? And we're going to preview this form. So I'll hit the little eyeball to preview. So, what's your name? My name is Dominic. Okay, choose your topic. All right, I'm going to choose neutron stars. So I'll click on that, and I'll click on submit. Okay, so my response was just recorded in the Google form. Okay, and actually if I go back to the Google form here, you can see that up here it says responses 1. So if I click on responses, I can see the different responses that I've gotten. And actually I'm going to click on this little Google Sheet icon because that's generally a really nice way to see what different people have said. So I'm going to have Google Forms create a spreadsheet that shows me all the responses that I've gotten for this form. Okay, so I'll click on that, and that opens a new Google Sheet where I can see, all right, so Dominic chose neutron stars. I can even see the date and time that Dominic submitted that Google form. Okay, but did Choice Eliminator do its magic? Well, let's find out. I'm going to go back over to the form that I filled out earlier, and I'll click on Submit Another Response. So let's pretend that we're a different student, right? So I'm going to click on here. All right, so we're a new student. So I'm going to put in my dog's name, Kun, and Kun goes to choose a topic, and well, what do you know? Neutron stars is gone. That is not an option that Kun can choose from. That choice has been eliminated from the list of choices. Okay, so now Kun can choose a different topic, and once he chooses that, supernova, now supernova is going to be eliminated. Okay, so one at a time as people submit this form, those choices will be eliminated. There is the possibility, if two students are filling out this form at exactly the same time, there is the possibility that they might choose the same thing at the same time, and that duplicate will carry over. There is that risk, but in general, this shouldn't be much of a problem. The choices do get eliminated rather quickly. Okay, so this is a rather cool little tool. It's just a little add-on that you can use with Google Forms. And you know, I gave you an example of how you could use it to have students pick topics, but there's a lot of other ways that you could potentially use this. So I highly recommend checking it out if you utilize Google Forms and you see the potential with being able to eliminate some choices. So thanks for watching.